how to delete other files storage on Android. So let's get started. First of all, if we just go to my storage and here tap on that, and as you can see I have got like 15 GBs of other files in my memory. But if you just go back and let me just show you that I have only 1 GB left for my storage. So it is quite frustrating as the other files is taking 15 GBs of storage and I'm getting like nothing. So in this video I'm show you exactly that how you can delete the other files. So stick to it. First of all, let me just go to the settings. Alright, so let's just go to the settings, and then from here you need to scroll it down to the finds the apps options. Alright, then from here you need to go to the manage options. From here, first of all, what you need to do, simply just go through all the application that you have downloaded, and most case those application you don't use or don't have any connection with, you can simply go through it and uninstall those application. All right, and then go to the Play Store, search for the Play Store, and then from the search bar you need to search for storage analyzer. Search for it, and then on the first site, as you can see, storage analyzer and disk users, you need to install this application. I know this can be frustrating that you want to clear up your storage because you don't have the enough storage to download anything, but you cannot access the other device without this software, so you need to install this application from the Play Store. I don't know why. For that, after installing it, just simply open that application and then simply go to the file categories. Alright, from here, as you can see, from the others, select the others, and now from here just go to the files and tap on this option, 3 dots, and tap on select all, and then again tap on the delete button to delete all the files. So it will take some time to delete the files. So here you go. Alright guys, so as you can see, we deleted the other files that we have on our system. So most of the cases this is the thing. So also I am showing you another trick. So you need to go for that, you need to go to the for that you need to go to the files. Just go to the files. Alright, then tap on the 3 dots, and then from here you need to tap on the trash. You need to go to the trash option to find out the previously deleted files. Then you need to select all of that and then delete, and simply delete those files. So it will give some of the space to your mobile phone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.